Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be glazing some plates. Or they might even become bird baths. I'm not sure yet. But either or, I'm going to be using some Underglaze. Here we have dark Delft. I was going to think about using this as a plate, but I think this might look good as a bird bath. I'm going to try this bright aqua. I've never used these underglazes before, so it should be interesting to see what they're going to look like after being fired. I'm going to add a little bit of that blue to this white. Even though this white glaze actually looks like it has a green tint, I'll see what it looks like after being fired. I think this one turned out pretty good. I like the color, the blues and whites. Some nice colors there. I'm gonna try mixing the red and yellow with some of that blue because I want to get some earthier colors, some muted type colors. I love experimenting with colors, finding out things that work well together, discovering things for myself. That's one thing with colors is that you can read about it all you want to, but you're never gonna find colors that work until you actually use the materials that you have. I have no idea what this is going to look like after it's fired. But it should be interesting nonetheless. I think this will make a nice plate. This plate is so grungy and rough that I just love it. This will make a great dish to hold some of my homemade biscuits and bread. Now I'm not sure what these underglazes are going to look like on top of that slip, but I'm going to find out. This plate has a lot of blue slip that I know from previous experience is going to pop really strongly. It's going to look like a Delft blue. So I decided to mute some of the colors on this plate and cover up those lines that were really busy with some other muted colors. Then I decided to go into some of those petals with a lighter color. I really like a lot of contrast, and I hope it'll look good after the firing. Should be interesting. And then I forgot to record when I painted the light blue, but I covered up the lines on there also that were a bit too busy for me. And then I added some of the blue along the ridge, and I thought that it was speaking nicely with the blue in the center. And then I'll wax the bottom of these. I decided to dip all of these into clear glaze. And then I finish up with glazing all of these. And then I put them on the shelf, ready for the technician to give them a firing. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and come back to see more. Thank you.